Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use sRGB color mode on your Android. So if you prefer sRGB as your display standard, you can try to activate it in developer mode. So you can go to your settings, tap about phone here. So every device have different method. So in my Android, you can go to the about phone and try to tap a 7 time in access developer option. So you can tap additional settings if your developer mode or option is active. Here, this is the developer option. And voila, in this developer option you can try to turn on picture color mode. You can scroll down and find picture color mode, use sRGB. You can turn on. So it will not change the camera result, but displaying a result in standard display that match with other sRGB display is important. So I mean, if you like a dull color, or if you want to compare the color, you can try to use this standard RGB to calibrate your display. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.